All right, Brian Tessier here, Remax Advanced Realtors. Should I do an open house? The answer is yes. So today's market, it's super hot. I mean, maybe in a little cooling off phase now. We have a seasonal market, etc. But the open houses have been really successful because a lot of times property goes on a market and it's contingent right away. So how do we prevent that from happening if we're a buyer? Well, sometimes you can't get together with your husband, your wife, your significant other, your kids, the agent, whatever. So if there's an open house in the evenings, twilight open houses, or if there's open houses on Saturdays and or Sundays, it gives a better opportunity for buyers to get to your house, Mr. and Mrs. Seller. A lot of times, even if I know I have a hot listing, I'll schedule an open house anyway, because what that does is creates a sense of urgency amongst buyers if they don't already have a sense of urgency, or if they're doing a second showing and they're not quite sure and they see that open houses. A lot of times buyers think houses get sold from open houses, but I can tell you that's a rare position that happens. But yes, should I do an open house? You should absolutely do an open house. You should do a couple open houses. The best time to do open houses is your first 2 weeks. Your first 2 weeks when you're listed is your busiest. So you'll want to make sure you capitalize on that. And anytime you do a price reduction. So Brian sells Pittsburgh. Hope that helps out.